Good morning, everyone. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this one, what is the answer for this? If two positive integers a and b are expressible in the form a is equal to pq square and b is equal to p cube into q, where p and q being prime numbers, then HCF of a comma b is?
PQ.
That's right. So what did you do? From pq square, you can write it as pq into q, and p cube q, you can write it as pq into p square. So the highest common factor in both is pq. So given that one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial is 0, then the order is then the other zero is
Minus B by A.
yes, because alpha plus beta is minus b by a. One of them is 0, so other will be minus b by a. Progressions with equal common difference are known as arithmetic progressions. So in the given figure, xy is parallel to BC. AX is 3 centimeter, XB is 1.5 centimeter, BC is 6 centimeter, then XY is how much?
3 centimeter.
How? So if I take this to be x, this is the common mistake we do. It is not 3. Because see, this triangle, Ria, listen to this. This triangle
Yes,
and the bigger triangular, that is AXY and ABC are similar. So 3 divided by x should be equal to 3 plus 1.5, that is 4.5 divided by 6. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
It is 9 by 12. So this goes 3 times, this goes 4 times. X is not 3, it is 4.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So graphically, the pair of linear equations represent two lines which are, we need not draw the graph.
Parallel.
What they're asking is, are these lines they are parallel?
They're parallel.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. Yes, they are. What about the sixth one? One of the roots of the quadratic equation a square x square minus 2abx plus 2b square is equal to 0 is. So I can take out ax common, ax into a minus 2b, or can I write it as a square x square minus abx plus 2b square is equal to 0. So ax into a minus b minus, how will I get this of 2b square? Ax minus 2ab. I think there is a mistake in this. Should have been 4. So ax into, okay, let me do one thing. Let me use the discriminant
I didn't
method.
get the answer for this one, sir.
Yeah, there is a mistake. Yeah, discriminant is 4a square b square minus 4a square b square. Correct? 4a square b square minus 8a square b square. Correct? B square minus 4 into a into c. There is a mistake. Actually, the question should have been 4 here.
Sir, I didn't get an answer, so I just randomly chose one option.
No, it's not. It's wrong because the discriminant is less than 0. You're getting a. Actually, the question should have been a square x square minus 4abx plus 2b square. Then there is a possibility you'll get the answer. Anyways, Ria, can you do me a favor? Mark this question
Yes, sir.
and write down that marks should be like write the heading as marks to be allotted and put this
Yes,
question
sir.
6. Yeah, and
Yes.
put this question 6. Seventh one. In the given figure, quadrilateral ABCD is circumscribed touching the circle PQR and S such that angle DAB is 90 degree. If angle CR is 23 and CB is 39. Okay. And the radius of the circle is 14 centimeter, then the measure of AB is. How to do this? What is the answer?
Sir, I got it as 30 centimeter.
30 is right. So how to do this? So this is 23.
AQ is
CS is 23. Yeah, AQ is how much?
yes, sir. AQ and AP are 14,
Okay.
and
This
yeah,
is
so
23
they
out of 23. This is 16. If this is
yes, sir.
16,
So PB
this
is
will also
also
be
16.
16. So 16 plus 14 is 30. Correct. In a triangle ABC, angle C is 90 degree, angle B is 45 degree, then state which of the following is true. Angle C is 90 means C is here.
A
This
is
is
equal to
AB.
perpendicular.
Angle B is 45 degree, and this is also 45 degree. Then what can you say?
Base is equal to perpendicular.
Base is equal to
Base,
perpendicular.
that is D. Correct. It forms a right angled isosceles triangle, right? So the ratio of the length of the rod and its shadow is 1 is to root 3. The angle of elevation of the sun is, that is the, yeah,
30
how much is it?
degrees.
1 by root
30
3.
degrees.
So tan theta is correct. Tan theta is 1 by root 3. So 30. The point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is called as, obviously,
Origin.
Origin.
origin. Yeah. The wheel of engine of a train is 14 2 by 7 in circumference. Make 7 revolutions in 10 seconds. What is the speed of the train? How to solve this? So can I write number of revolutions into circumference is equal to number of
Distance
revolutions
This
in
is
10 seconds into circumference is equal to can I write it like this? Is equal to so how to solve this?
The number of revolution into circumference will give us the distance, sir.
Distance. Okay.
So we can directly calculate speed.
So how will you calculate distance?
Distance
speed
by
is
time.
distance by time.
Yes. So number of revolutions is how much? Number of revolutions in 10 seconds is 7 into circumference is 14 2 by 7 is how much? 98. 100 by 7 is equal to distance. 7 and 7 are gone. Distance is 100. So 100 divided by this 100 is in terms of meter. Yeah, 100 meter. The speed of the train is. So they need it in per hour. No. So 100 meter is 0.1 kilometer divided by 1 hour is. Okay. I'll write it like this. So you need to do the conversions. No. So what is the distance covered in 1 hour? This is in 10 seconds. So this is the distance covered in 10 seconds. So 100 divided by 10 will be the distance covered in 1 second into 3600 will be the distance covered in 1 hour. So how much is the answer going to be? This and this will get cancelled. It will be 36,000 meter, or it is going to be 36 kilometer. So it is covering 36 kilometer in 1 hour. So answer will be C. Answer for 12th one. A is the assumed mean. So x bar is equal to
211.
A plus sigma 211. I think that's the answer. Let's see. So A is how much? 225 plus sigma Fi Ui is minus 7 divided by sigma Fi is 25 into H is 10. So 225 minus 14, it's going to be 211. That's right. The probability expressed as percentage of a particular occurrence can never be, obviously,
less than 0.
Yes. If 7 times the 7th term of AP is equal to 11 times the 11th term, then the 18th term is 7 into A plus 60. 0, yeah, that's the answer. 7 into A plus 60 is equal to 11 into A plus 10D. So 7A plus 42D is equal to 11A plus 110D. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then how will you solve this? Then you will get 4A plus 110 minus 42 is how much? 68. 68D is Z. So A plus common term, A plus 17D is equal to 0. Is this not the 18th term? So
yes.
that is a, sorry. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DFE. Angle A is 30 degree, angle C is 40, AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 8 centimeter, DF is 7.5. Then which of the following is true? Answer.
Triangle F is 110 and D is 12.
எதுப்பா angle?
Option A.
Option A, 15th one. Yeah, that's right. So how did you prove it? In a triangle ABC is similar to
I
triangle
just drew both and checked it.
DFE. Angle A is 30, angle C is 40, AB is 5 centimeter, AC is 8 centimeter, DF is 7.5 centimeter. Then which of the following is 30? This is going to be 110. If this is 110, this is also going to be 110. Then what about DE? 5 and 1.7.5. What ratio are they? 5 is to 7.5. What ratio is this? 1 is to 1.5.
Yes.
So 8 multiplied with 1.5 is how much? 8 into 1 is 8 plus 4. Answer. This is the answer. So cos theta plus secant theta is 5 by 2. Cos square theta plus secant square theta is how much? So it's very simple. Cos square theta plus secant square theta is equal to, you can write it as cos theta plus secant theta the whole square minus 2 times cos theta into secant theta. Am I right? So cos theta into secant theta is 1. So cos theta plus secant theta is already given to us. How much is it? 5 by 2. So this will be 25 by 4 minus 2. So 25 minus 8 is 17. 17 by 4 centimeter. And this is the answer. The value of k for which the equation 3x minus y plus 8 and 6x plus ky minus 6 is equal to minus 16 represent coincident lines are. 3 by 6 should be equal to minus 1 by k. So k should be minus 2. It's K should be -2, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Ria, make a note of this. 17th D is the answer.
okay, sir.
Okay. In the answer key, it is given as 2. There is a mistake because in the answer key, it is taken as minus. So there is a mistake. So 17th actual, according to this question, the correct answer is D. So the area of the circle is 2464 square centimeter, then its diameter is pi in d square divided by 4 is equal to 2464, which implies 22 by 7 into d square divided by 4 is 2464. So 22 will cancel this 2464 how many times? 1, it is going to be 22, so 26, 1, 1,
sir.
1, 1, 2. Correct? Correct. 1, 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2, what are the factors? 56 and 2. Okay, let's see. So d square is equal to 112 into 4 into 7. See, I'm not in a hurry to multiply. What I'll do is for 112, I'll try to find out the factors. One of the factors I'm able to see is 56 into 2. So 56 again, I can write it as 7 into 8. Can I? So 7 into 8 into 2 is what is 102 into 4 into 7. See, 4 into 2 is 8 again. So it is going to be 7 square into 8 square is what is d square, which implies d will be equal to 7 into 8, which will be 56 centimeter. Is that clear?
Yes.
Very good. So 19th one, in a circle, the radius of the circle is 3 centimeters. The distance of the point from the center of the circle is 5 centimeters. Then the length of the tangent will be how much?
So it is 4 centimeters.
It is 4 because 3, 4, 5 are Pythagorean triplets. And the reason B is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square. Is that right? So
Yes.
if you visualize it, if a circle of radius 3 centimeter is there, and the distance of a point from the center of the circle is 5 centimeter, then what is going to be the length of the tangent? We know that this is going to be perpendicular. So you're going to use the right angled, the Pythagoras theorem. Sum and product of roots of 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 are 3 by 2 and 5 by 2 respectively. So alpha plus beta is 3 by 2. Alpha beta is 5 by 2. Correct. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, alpha plus beta is minus b. Correct. No. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. So 3 root 2 into root 2 is how much? 6. So for 6, what are the factors? 6 and
6
1.
and 1.
So you can make it as minus 6 and 1. So 3 root 2 x square minus 6x plus x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So if I take out 3 root 2 x outside into x minus root 2 plus 1 into x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So 3 root 2 x plus 1 into x minus root 2 is equal to 0. So x will be equal to minus 1 divided by 3 root 2 and x is equal to root 2. That's the answer. Find the value of p in the pair of equation minus x plus py is equal to 1, px minus y is equal to 1 if the pair of equations has no solution. So it should have no solution means what should happen? There should be parallel lines. Minus 1 by p should be equal to p divided by minus 1, which implies p square should be 1. So what will be the answer? P is equal to
1.
plus or minus 1. But from this, you have to eliminate. So when I take plus 1, I get minus 1 by 1 is equal to 1 divided by minus 1. So it is right when p is equal to 1. When p is equal to minus 1, what will happen? Minus 1 divided by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 divided by minus 1. It's working, no? But at the same time, what should happen is Yeah, this is fine. So both will satisfy actually. This is working. P is equal to plus or minus 1. So solve the pair of linear equations. Can you solve this? You can use the elimination method. What would be the answer? 4x plus 3y is equal to 12 into 4 is 48. 40x minus 6y is equal to 48 into 4 is 144. Right,
So
on
I got
solving
the
it,
x as 6 and y as 8.
correct. So that part I'm leaving it to you. 23rd. In a musical chair game, the person playing the music has been advised to stop playing the music at any time within 2 minutes after she starts playing. What is the probability that the music will stop within the first
1 by 4,
half
sir.
minute?
1 by 4.
1
1
by
by
Correct.
4.
4.
So how did you get it?
1 by 2 by 2.
So sample space is 130 seconds.
Correct. Half a minute divided by 2 minutes. 1 by 4. Correct. So this is a textbook problem, NCERT 1. So how to solve this?
We need to take 15 as common.
Okay, we'll take 15 as common. Then 7 into 9 into 13 plus 14. So what will you say?
The product of two numbers other than 1 in itself, so it's composite.
Yes. So it's not. So alpha, beta, gamma.
Sir,
Actually,
isn't this
one,
a omitted cubic or
no, it's
polynomial?
omitted. So again, mark it. 25 should get marks. 26th. If price of a book is reduced by rupees 5, a person can buy 4 more books for 600. Find the original price of the book. So let the original price of the book be X. Okay. So he is buying books. That person is buying books for 600 rupees. So if the price was less by 5 rupees, how many books could have been bought? 4 more books. Right. So how to approach and how do you frame the equation?
Sir, let the number of
Like
books be
here, the
y.
price is
Number of books you want to take it as Y. Okay.
So x minus y into
Why
y
X
plus
minus
4. X minus 5
X minus 5
into y plus 4 gives 600.
so
okay.
actually
xy
it's
is
a
equal to
quadratic
600.
equation.
Come again. XY is equal to 600. Yeah. Number of books into okay. X into
Yes,
Y
sir.
is equal to 600. So Y
Now
will be
we,
equal to 600 by X. Yeah. So there's a problem based on quadratic equation.
so we need not take it as y is equal to 600 by x. Sir. We can just
Okay, we'll
cancel
do it.
xy from this.
So we'll see. I'm just saying. So XY plus 4X minus 5Y minus 20 is equal to 600.
We can
So
cancel
XY
xy and
is
600.
600. Okay. This and this are gone. 4x minus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. Okay. Anyways, in this place, you need to write the 600 by x, no? Right? So 4x minus 5 into 600 divided by x minus 20 is equal to 0. So 4x square minus 3000 minus 20x is equal to 0. So 4x square minus 20x minus 300 is equal to 0. So how do you solve this?
3000, sir.
3,000. So 12,000 is going to come. So 12,000, what are the factors you have?
Sorry, actually it
Or,
is differently. I wrote it as
sorry,
600 by x minus y minus 600 by x is 4. So I did it like that instead of taking it as 6
600
and
by
y.
600 by
X minus y, I mean x
uh,
minus 5.
uh-huh.
600 by x minus 5 minus 600 by x equal to 4.
Both are same. Both are same.
Yes.
So can we cancel with x 4 itself? X square minus 5x minus 750 is equal to 0.
Then we can
So
take
750,
40
what
and
is the fact?
25.
How much?
30 and
40 and
25.
20. Yeah, 30 and
30
25.
and 25.
Square minus 30x plus 25x minus 750 is equal to 0. So x into x minus 30 plus 25 into x minus 30 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 25 or 30. 30 is the answer, no? Yeah. So each book costs 30 rupees. 1 minute. So what is the answer for 27th?
Five.
One minute. The 27, 5 is the correct answer. Yeah, how did you do this?
Sir, I took n by 2, which is 120 by 2, which is 60.
So you add all these things, you're getting 120.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We need to take
So the
cumulative.
so it is
60.
60, and the closest to that was 65. So I took the median as 5.
Okay, you wrote the
And
cumulative
since
frequency.
cumulative frequency for
Yeah.
5, it's coming at 65.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 10, 11, 16, 20, 25, 15, 9, and 6. So 8, 18, 29, 29 plus 16 is 45, 65, 65 plus 25 is 90, 90, there's 105, 105 plus 9 is 114, 114 plus this is 120. Okay, 60, the next value is 65. Okay. Then what did you do?
So I took 5 as the median.
Yes. So value of x corresponding to it is 5. Find the area of the segment AYB as shown in the figure. The radius of the circle is 21 centimeter, angle AOB is 120 degree. How do you solve this? That is going to be area of sector minus area of triangle. So what is the area of sector?
120 by 360 into pi.
How much? 120 by 360 into
22 by 7 into 21 square.
21 square. So this will go 21 into 21. This goes 3 times. So this will go 120. This and this will get cancelled. So 22 into 21 is going to be
462.
462 centimeters square. So what is going to be the area of the triangle? If I drop a perpendicular from here, right, what is going to be the area of the triangle? If I drop a perpendicular, this is 21. This is also 21. Right, this angle will be 60.
You need to take cos 60.
So perfect. So this is going to be 60. So this one will be how much? If I
So
take
it will
this to
be
be x by 21 is equal to cos 60. So x is equal to 21
No,
by
sir. It is sin 60, x by 21.
oh, opposite, sorry, sin 60, which is
Sin 60 is root 3 by 2.
so 21 root 3 by 2. So the total value will be 21 root 3 because this is 21 root 3 by 2, this is 21 root 3 by 2. So 21 root 3 will be the total value. So half into this height is how much? Height will be 21 by 2. Am I right? Because for height you will get cos. So half into base is 21 root 3 into height is 21 by 2. Then how much will be the answer? So 21 into 21 is 441 into root 3 divided by 4. So answer will be 462 minus 441 into root 3 divided by 4.
Sir, I did the odd question. Can you tell the answer for that?
Yeah. 3 horses are tethered at corners of a triangular plot having sides 20, 30, and 40 centimeter with rope of 7 meter length each. Find the area of the plot which can be grazed by the horses. Means,
Sir, I got the answer is 77 meters square.
correct.
Okay, sir.
So 20, 30, 40. So this is 7. This is 7.
Sir, actually, the sides, I don't think we need to use them for the.
No, I'm just drawing the diagram. Find the area of the plot which is grazed by the horses. So what is the area?
The area is pi by 360. I mean, theta by 360 pi r square. So theta will be angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is 180 degrees.
That's it. So you take pi r square by 360 because they're asking the sum. You will get theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, which is going to be 180. So this will go 2 times. 22 by 7 into r is 7 into r square
7
into
to 7.
half. This and this we cancel. 11. Answer is correct. 77 meters square.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. 29th. From a solid cylinder whose height is 15 centimeter and diameter 16 centimeter, a conical cavity, the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid. So what will be the answer? If I look at the diagram of this, height is 15 centimeter, diameter is 16 centimeter. Right? You have taken out a conical cavity out of it. Right? So what is the total surface area? Tell me. It is going to be the curved surface area of cylinder plus the curved surface area of the cone
Plus pi r square.
plus this area of the cylinder. You came to see that? Okay. Just give me a minute, guys. In the meanwhile, keep solving this problem. Yeah, I hope you could solve this. What is the answer for this?
Very good. 1381.6.
1381 by 6.
0.6.
One minute. One three eight 2.786 is what is given here, but okay, it's fine. It's closer,
Sir,
right?
even I
So
got
tell me, how are you?
1381.6.
Okay, that's fine. That minor difference will not make any change. So let me check this. So what is going to be the curved surface area? Here you are going to write 2 pi RH plus the curved surface area of cone is going to be pi RL plus area of cylinder, area of base. Area of base is pi R square, right? So pi R, if I take out common, so pi R, if I take out common, 2h plus L plus R. So pi is 22 by 7 into R is how much? 8 into 2h is how much? 30. Plus what is going to be the length? So this is 8, this is 15, this is going to be 17. So 17
Sir, they
plus what
asked
is
us
going
to
to be the
take the
value of
pi
R?
as 3.14, sir.
No, I'll take, okay.
Yes, sir.
So it will be 3.14 into 8 into 8 into 30 plus 17 plus R is again going to be 8. So how much is this? 55. Huh?
55.
Yes, sir. So it is 55 into 8 into 3.14. So how much will be the answer?
3.14 into 440. I got 1381.6 centimeters.
Okay. So 55 into 8 into 3.14. Yeah, 1381.6 seems to be the right answer. That's the one. So yeah, make a note of this.
Yes,
1381.6. Yeah, because here it is given as 1382.786. The person correcting will make a mistake. So no option for this, no? So next, the length of a string between the kite and a point on the ground is 85 meters. If the string makes an angle theta with the ground level such that tan theta is equal to 15 by 8, find the height of the kite from the ground. Assume there is no slack in the string. So this is theta 15k by 8k, and the length of the string is 85. So tan theta is equal to 15 by 8. See, somebody's mic is on. Can you please switch it off? So tan theta is 15 by 8, right? So how much will be the height? I need to find the value of k. So 15k divided by 8k. See, had it been 15, 8, this would have been 17. But instead of this being 17, it is 85. So k value will be 5 times that value. Anyways, I'll explain that. Listen to this. So this is 15k, this is 8k. This will be 17k. How did you get it? Because it is root of 15k square plus 8k square, which will give you 17k. So 17k is equal to 85 implies k is equal to 5. When k is equal to 5, then what is going to be the height? 15 into 5, which is going to be 75 meter. Am I right? I'm not sure how many of you did this problem. If you have done it, 75 is the answer. Okay. If a tower 30 meter high casts a shadow of 10 root 3 along the ground, then what is the angle of elevation of the sun? Easy. 60 degrees. 30.
Yes, sir.
This is 10 root 3. This is theta. So tan theta is equal to 30 divided by 10 root 3. This goes 3 times. This is the root 3. So tan theta is equal to this value. So theta will be equal to 60 degrees. The altitude AD of triangle ABC in which angle A is obtuse and AD is 10 centimeter. If BD is equal to 10 centimeter, CD is 10 root 3. Determine the value of A. Answer.
105 degrees.
Correct. So how to do this? ABC is a triangle. Okay. AD is the altitude. Okay. Angle A is obtuse. Okay. Angle A is obtuse. AD is going to be 10 centimeter. BD is going to be 10 centimeter. It forms an isosceles triangle. And CD is equal to 10 root 3. Now tell me, this is 10 and this is 10. How much will this angle be? This is 45. This is also 45. This will be 90. Right. If this is 10 and this is 10 root 3, this angle will be 30 degrees. Then this is going to be 60. So they asked what is angle A? 60 plus 45. It's going to be 105. Done. I hope you are able to understand. I didn't write the steps, but tan theta is equal to 10 divided by 10 root 3. It is 30. Is there anyone who is not clear with what I did? So in the given figure, AM is perpendicular to BC, tan B is equal to 3 by 4. Sorry. AM is perpendicular to BC, tan B is equal to 3 by 4. So this is B, this is 3K, this is 4K, then this will be 5K. Tan C is equal to 5 by 12. So this will be 5L, 12L, so this will be 13L. BC is equal to 56. Then find the length of AM. So how to solve this?
I actually did it differently without taking any variable value. I got AM by BM is 3 by 4 and AM by CM is 5 by 12. So I actually then I flipped it and I added BM by AM and CM by AM. So I got 20 plus 36 by 15. So then that became 56 by AM equal to 56 by 15. I got AM is 15.
AM is 15 is what you got. Let me check what is the answer. Correct.
So even I got 15, sir.
15 is correct. I'm just seeing. So what is the method? You can do in multiple ways. Whichever is convenient for you, I'll go with it. So what I did is also right, but I'll explain the method in which you did. So how did you do? So this will be 3, this is 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So you took this as B, tan B is equal to, you took it as 3 by 4, tan C you took it as 5 by 12 as per the question. So BC is given as 56. Okay. Then find the length of AM. So how did you do?
I flipped it as 4 by 3 and 12 by 5. That is BM by AM is 4 by 3 and CM by AM is 12 by 5.
BM by AM is equal to 4 by 3 and
CM by AM is 12 by 5.
CM by AM is equal to 12 by 5. You added them because LCM is common. So BA plus CM divided by AM is equal to 4 by 3 plus 12 by 5. So it is going to be 20 plus 36. That is 56 divided by 15. So BA plus CM.
The BM plus CM.
Now, BM plus CM is how much? That is also 1 minute, wait. BM plus AM is 56. Yes, correct. So 56 divided by AM is equal to 56 divided by 15. Cancel these two. 15. Correct. Find the value of theta. Did anyone do this? Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 4. So you just need to take LCM and then proceed. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta is equal to 4. So cos theta plus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta minus cos theta sin theta, I forgot the LCM, 1 minute, divided by 1 minus sin square theta is equal to 4. So cos theta sin theta, and this will get cancelled. 1 minus sin square theta is going to be cos square theta, which is equal to 4. So 2 cos theta by cos square theta is equal to 4. So 2 times cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled, which implies cos theta is half. What is the value of theta? 60. Okay. If at all this problem comes, I hope you will be able to do it. Right? Will you be? I hope you're clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So what is the answer for this? The angles of depression of the top and bottom of a tower as seen from the top of 60√3 meter high cliff are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So how to solve this?
Tan,
So there is a
AB by BD is tan 60.
60√3 meter high cliff and there is a tower. The angles of depression are 60 and 45. So 60 and 45. So this is the height of the tower, right? So this is 45, this will also be 45, and this will be 60. So how much is this height? 60√3 minus h. Then how much will this side be? 60√3 minus h. Makes sense? Because I told you 45 degree, the height and the base are the same. Then find the height of the tower. How to solve? So this total height is 60. So 60 divided by 60√3 minus h is equal to how much? Is equal to tan
√3.
60. So 60 is equal to 60√3 minus h into √3. So 60 is equal to 180 minus √3h. 120 is equal to √3h. So h will be equal to 120 by √3, or it is 40√3 meter. That's the answer. We can leave it like this, or you want to multiply 40 into 1.73 can also be taken. How to do this 34th? In a triangle ABC, if angle ADE is equal to B, angle ADE is
So
theta.
for the
This is
sum,
uh-huh.
so I got the answer as 60√3 minus 1.
60√3 minus 1 now.
So even I
Yes,
got the
sir.
same answer.
60√3 minus 1, is that what you got?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I got the answer
1 minute, wait.
43.92 meters.
So 60 divided by 60√3 minus h is equal to tan 60, which is √3. If I take the height of the tower to be h, this is h. Okay. 60√3 is the height, no? So 60√3 minus h will be this side.
So that one I got it as 60, sir.
So yes, sir, the
Sure,
horizontal I got it as 60.
1 minute. So 40 into 1.732 is 69.28. It is, yeah, it is coming out to be greater than, there is a mistake. Because 40 into almost 2, right? It will come to 80, which is wrong. So 60 divided by 60 root 3 minus h is tan 60.
So tan 60 is 60 root 3 by the base rate, sir.
Nadam. Oh, sorry. Here is the angle, no? Correct only. Here is the angle 60 by 60 by 60 root 3 minus h then.
Sir, actually,
Illada. See, if this height is h, correct? This h na idu h. So this will be 60 root
yes,
3
sir.
minus h. So if
Yes,
this
sir.
is 60 root 3 minus h, this angle is 45. Accepted?
Yes, sir.
So alternate interior angles. If that is going to be 45, then this side is also going to be 60 root 3 minus h. That's what I took.
Sir, I
So
got 60 root 3 minus h as 60 meters.
Yeah, sir.
60 root 3 minus x as 60.
Yes,
So
sir.
tan
Because
60.
Tan 60 root 3
tan
then.
60 will be 60 root 3 by the horizontal. So that is, so the horizontal will be 60 meters. Because the horizontal is 60 root 3 by root 3.
Wait.
Like if we take the total height of the
That is
one
60
on the
ma.
left side.
That is 60.
No, sir, the total height is 60 root 3.
Oh, this is the mistake I made actually. I took it as 60. Sorry, 60 root 3. Appa inga root 3 போட்டா முடிஞ்சிருச்சு work. You're
So the
right actually.
horizontal will be,
No.
horizontal becomes 60.
That's why I made a mistake of this 60 root 3. I just missed it. So root 3 will get cancelled. 60 is equal to 60 root 3 minus h. Yeah, you're right. So h is equal to 60 root 3 minus 60. This is what you got. 49 point something will be the answer.
Yes, 43.92.
43 point something, yeah. So if this is theta, this is also theta. This is theta, this is also theta. AD is 7.6. AE is 7.2. BE is 4.2. BC is 8.4. Then find DE. How to do this?
So I got
AB
DE
by
as
AD
5.6.
How?
Yes,
I want the
sir.
logic.
AB by AD is equal to BC by DE.
AB by?
AD is equal to BC by DE.
1 minute. AB by AD is equal to BC.
C by DE.
But how?
So because they're similar triangles,
How did you prove the
corresponding sides are
similarity?
proportional.
That's what I wanted to. How did you
So
prove the similarity?
angle B is equal to angle D, that is given.
Yes.
And angle A
And
is common in both. So
common,
by
that's
A
it.
similarity, they are similar.
That's right. So which two triangles are similar? Unless I form the similarity, I cannot explain.
ABC is similar to ADE.
So A and A are common. B is and D have the same angle. So ABC and ADE are similar. So AB divided by AD is equal to BC divided by DA. Now it makes sense. So on solving this, what is the answer you got?
5.6.
5.6.
Yes,
Sorry.
sir.
In the anybody did the next one? The given figure angle AEF is equal to angle AEF is equal to angle AFE. So it forms an isosceles triangle, and E is the midpoint of CA. The diagram doesn't look like that, but yeah, E is the midpoint of CA. Prove that BD by CD is equal to BF divided by CE. So how to solve this? None of you did this? Okay.
No, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So do one thing, you can have a look at this, the solution. Okay. So 35th, how to do this? So this is again based on the Archimedes principle concept. So height of the cylinder tub is 12 centimeter, which contains water to a depth of 20 centimeter. Sorry, height of a cylinder tub of radius 12 centimeter contains water up to a depth of 20 centimeter. A spherical ball is dropped into the tub and the level of the water is raised by 6.75 centimeters. So what should I do? Volume of the sphere is equal to volume of liquid
Water displaced.
or raised, I can say. So 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to volume of the liquid raised is pi r square into h. But only difference is this r and the other r are different. So pi gets cancelled. So height is, so 4 by 3 into r is what we need to calculate, is equal to 12 square. 12 into 12 into height is
6.7.
6.75. So 6.75 multiplied and divided with 4. How much will you get? 25 by 25 will 27. 27 by 4. Is that right?
Sir, I actually cancelled 4 and 12 and got 3.
Okay, that will get it. Now what I'm going to do is r cube will be equal to, this 3 will go and multiply here, 3 cube into 27 is again 3 cube. So r will be equal to 3 into 3, which will be 9 centimeter. Got it? So 9 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So here, how to solve this? Find the area of the sector ODCO. Answer. 1/4 of the area of the circle. So what is the area of the circle? Pi r square. So 22 by 7 into r square, 14 into 14. This cancels twice. 44 into 14 is how much? So 44 into 14 is the area of the circle. So area of the sector will be 1/4 of 44 into 14, which will give me 154 centimeters square. That is the answer for the first one.
Yes, sir.
Right. Find the area of the triangle AOB. Area of the triangle AOB is equal to half into base into height. So half into 20 into 20. So how much will it be? 10.
200 centimeters.
200
centimeters
centimeters
square.
Find the total cost of gold plating. How much is that?
Rupees 276.
276 is correct. How did you approach?
So area
Is
to be
area of
plated
triangle
with,
minus area of sector.
So area of triangle is 200, area of sector is so 46. So 46 into 6 is going to give me 276. Correct? Right. Find the area of the major sector formed by the given figure. So it will be 3/4 of the 3/4 of area of the triangle. I mean area of the circle. 3/4 of 14 into, sorry, 44 into 14. This will go 11 times. So 154 into thrice is how much? Into 3 is how much?
462.
Find the length of the arc DC. Find the length of the arc DC. So 1/4 of 2 pi r. So 1/4 of 2 into 22 by 7 into r is 14. This goes 2 times. This goes 2 times. 2, 2. Answer will be 22 centimeter. Easier. This is a simple problem, right? So 37 and 38. Yeah, let me know fast. So what is the answer for the first one? While computing means of the
Center
group
at the
data, we
class
assume the
mark.
frequencies are.
Center at the class mark.
Yes. What is the sum of the lower limits of the median class and the model class?
70.
70, 70. It's given 80 here. Is there any calculation mistake?
I got 80.
80 is the answer.
Sir, because both the model class and the median class, they're the same class.
So which one is that? 40 to
40
50.
to 50.
So
40 to 50.
So lower value is going to be 40. So 40 added to itself is 80. Correct. What is the mode of the data?
45.
Anybody? What is the mode of the data?
44.705.
44.7. That's the answer.
Yes,
So
sir.
you have to apply the formula and do it. So what is half of the upper class limit plus the lower class limit?
Class mark.
Mark.
It's called class mark. What is the median of this data? So median falls in this class. So what did you get the answer? Answer will come out as 42. You have that formula, right? You need to apply and solve this. So answer for this one. What is the height of the tower?
First one is 100 meters.
100 meters.
Correct. What will be the length of the shadow of the tower when Vijay's house casts a shadow of 12 meters?
60 meters.
60.
60 is correct. Okay. What is the height of Ajay's house?
40 meters.
40 meters.
Correct. So when the tower casts shadow of 40 meters same time, what will be the length of the shadow of Ajay's house?
16
16
meters.
meters.
When the tower casts shadow of 40 meters same time, what will be the length of the shadow of the Vijay's house? So I think it's an option you would have left it. Answer is 8 meters. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this part, this one alone, you check out from the solutions. So I have another class, that is why I'm not explaining it. Okay. But if you have a doubt, please reach out to me. Don't worry. And Ria, you wrote down the numbers, no? Of the
Yes, sir.
problem. So you send it to me and the admin number as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So I hope there are no more doubts, right?
No, sir.
Advait, Deepak, Mithun, Ria, Tanishka. Everyone is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very
Sir,
good. Okay.
actually, which is the admin number?
You will be getting a message of the links, right? Daily you will be getting
Yes,
the
sir.
links to that number, and you will be getting saying that the question papers are sorry, the answer sheets are corrected, and answer sheets are corrected,
Yes,
and you
sir.
can connect, right? You send to those two numbers.
Okay, sir.
So just drop a message saying these are all the questions for which marks are to be allotted.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. We'll
Thank
wind
you.
up. Yeah. Thank you. See you.
Thank you, sir.